When I was 17 years old, I was still in high school and I joined the National Guard. I went to basic training after my senior year, and my advanced individual training, I was gone for about 9 months total. So I came here to apply for a summer help position. I started working as a production worker. Being in a leadership position in the military, there's a lot of different situations that you get yourself into, and you have to be able to think on your feet fast and make decisions on your own without having to consult somebody else. And in my job, that's kind of the same way. Every time I have a problem, I can't go ask a question. I have to figure things out on my own. I've been here for 12 years. When I first started working here, I wasn't married, and since I've been working here, I've become married. I've bought 4 houses now. We've moved up from a little tiny 2-bedroom house now to a nice 4-bedroom house here on the edge of town that we really like. And it's a good feeling to work here because it feels like a very stable place to work. And I know that there's going to be a future for me here and a good future for my family.
I think the ideal candidate coming into manufacturing is no different than the ideal candidate coming into anybody's business or anyone that's looking for a true career path. Those people are going to have good attitudes, they're going to have a good work ethic, they're going to be willing to learn, and they're going to be positive in the way they approach things. What we're looking for is people that can solve problems. We're looking for independent thinkers. We want people that are not afraid to take on a challenge, because part of what we do every day is taking the next challenge, figuring it out, and then moving ahead. Nothing is more important than the people we have on the floor. Anybody can go buy a $1 million machine and set it up and turn on the switch. But the problem is, if you don't have a Josh White who knows how to dial that in and program it consistently to make really high quality products for very high quality customers, then you're not going to have a business left. So nothing is more important to us than our employees. If we want somebody to have a different view of what we do and how we do it and what our plants are like, and that it's not the dark, dingy, environment that maybe some people picture, you got to open your doors. It's definitely a very high-tech, advanced, all you have to do is walk the floor and you see it all over.
I feel like there's a lot of opportunities in the manufacturing industry. It's ever changing. The technology changes all the time, so there's opportunities at every level for people to get involved with it.